Okay, welcome back to another LennoxTube video, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Cloud Cuckoo Palace. It's actually Legos and includes a Unikitty, Emmett, Wildstone, and Extradron, whatever that spells right here. So anyways, I'm going to be unboxing this on the next part because it's actually very long and I gotta take time to build this because I don't want to use like fast forwards or anything, okay? And
let me see a close-up of the box.
And here's the closer look at the box. Now, the top view, the back view, and most of all, the side view.
All right.
Okay, and see you all on the next part. LennoxTube video on part 2, and here we have Cloud Cuckoo, which is what I have, which is what I made right now, and there's a bit of some secrets on the back. As you see, there's a bit of some stuff that has its own secret. Like on Rigel's side, when you twist this here. Wait. That and you can also move the sun too. And anyways, let's get to the characters. Includes Unikitty and Snail, Emmett and Wildstyle.
Si ando ba phone na siyam?
And Emmett and Wildstyle.
And the piece of resistance on his back, right?
Oh yeah, with the piece of resistance back. And what's this guy's name again? Oh yeah, Executron.
Executron.
Executron. Executron. And anyways, this is him. He's a bit like a police officer that travels to different dimensions. And handcuffs here. Anyways,
what's that over there?
This is actually a launcher on like the back, for you see it on the back of the box.
Okay, hold it still. There. Oh yeah.
And we have extras inside here. And anyways, go forward.